Folks, what is behind me, brand new 2027 Ember E-Series 18 RBS, is the smallest 18-foot travel trailer with a hookup for washer and dryer. And you have a beautiful theater sitting on a slide and a full bed in the front. Without wasting any time, let me show you all the new features of a 27 outside as well inside on the Ember E-Series 18 RBS. Now, Ember is very well known. It has more high clearance inside. So when you walk in and you're 6.2 or 6.3, you have no problem. A beautiful fiberglass in front with a diamond plate, nice finishing corner molding. You don't have that stupid plastic flying around. Solid corner molding, 2 propane tank, 20-pound, electric tank jack, and you have the off-grid package, which is mean 400-watt solar panel on the roof. So you have two 200, as you see right there on the roof. 2 panels, each one is 200, and a 2,000-watt inverter in a 18-footers. That's what's Ember. They give you the inverter, not inverter prep. Inverter come with it. As well, you have, I love the nice finishing basement storage underneath. You could see it's totally finished. And by the way, that's right there, the 2,000-watt inverter. Look, I don't see the gut. I don't see trust. I don't see any garbage like some other trailers. It's nice finish. Now, what else Ember they offer you on the 27 is a 3-camera prep. It's right there. It's a prep for Furrion, driver side, passenger side, rear camera. So if I decide you want to purchase that stuff from us, we could do this kind of things. A beautiful awning with a LED light. It has the 1, 2, 3 warranty, 1 year tip to tip, 3-year limited structures, and 2 years unlimited warranty on it. So that has a biggest warranty in the market. Now, anybody notice one thing on the door? I noticed one thing. This door, as you see, it's big. It's wider door than the others. Now, what else you notice? Look on the step. It's wider. Woohoo! Solid, more ride step, not a cheapy plastic, like some other brands. Now, look over here, that storage. That storage is still that unit. What I could do in this storage? Multi things. Number 1, I could go inside, I could put a fridge here. Why? Just put it in, plug it in. Those $50, $100 fridge from Target, Walmart, buy it and put it here. So I could do outside fridge. What else I could do? I could put a combo washer dryer, and it's already prepped. I just sit it right here. What is the advantage for you? When I put the combo washer dryer, I have access from inside or outside. So I could get things from inside the trailer. I could get things from outside the trailers. Now, what else are you going to get on that unit? Beside the lot, I could put my grill here. So if I have a grill, I could sit it inside and utilize. So this door has multi-function door from the Ember's 18 RBS. And again, I'm getting all this in an 18-foot. That's the nice thing about it. Now, look what's in the back. Look on the Ember what they do. It's clean. No spare tire bulky in the back of my trailers. The spare tire is in the front underneath my propane tank. Backup camera prep in the back. Leopard expandable ladder prep. And I have my Class 2 hitch in the back where I could put my bike rack and nothing in my way. Look over here, beautiful clearance light, docking stations. We talked about this in many times. It's one clean spot to hook up all my connections and no issue at all. 30 amp power cord. So it's designed for my bigger 18,000 PTU AC inside the Furrion. And then I like about the jack, please the cameraman, point to them. Look how beautiful the 4 stabilizer jack. They're hidden all the way tucked in the top and no issues. That is a big deal. And then you have the nice axle in between, like the black rim. And now, what is E-Series or Ember very well known? Slide out structure. What does it mean slide out structure? That's mean this is vacuum bonded aluminum frame. This is vacuum bonded aluminum frame. It's a smooth one piece. Look at it. Please, every time you look at trailer, look at the side of the slide out. Some of them, you will see them like a fishtail, like up and down, like a nice wave. You don't have that in Ember. supported with tankless hot water heater. And then I love this area. Here's my 2000 watt inverter, 30 amp solar controller, and I have my 400 watt solar panel on the roof, battery disconnect switch. This is for the tire. This is for additional solar if I want it. Again, you don't need it, but if you want, it's already prepped for you. Then I love this hole here, and then the hole here. What's that for? If one day you want me to pay me to have a Starlink, I could do that for you. And that's another features on the Ember. Let's go without wasting time. Let's go inside and show you the new 2718 RBS. Now, one thing is different. It's a flush slide out. So I don't have to step in 6-inch in my slide out. Be careful. A lot of 18 footers, you have to step 6 inches and 7, and some of them almost a foot to sit in the slide out. I don't have that. Why? Because it's a flush slide out. Now, another advantage, if somebody give you a theater seating, why you can't get a massager? Well, this one is a massager, and I could feel the heat, so it has a heat, and I could see the massager, and again, even massager of 12 volts, I don't have to be plugged in. I could say, and they're so comfy. They're really comfy. Look how easy to do, and I could feel the shaking. And I wish that you could see it in the camera. Nice place to sit and eat, enjoy the sandwich. By the way, there's a TV hookup right there. And this TV, we could add it for you. We don't add it from Ember because I could put it right there and you could see it from the living area on a swing arm. I could have put another TV here if I want to. But again, there's multi-function for TV and you could do that anytime you want. We'd love to do it for you. Now, what else you notice? There's no hanging trim whatsoever. And they give you a storage above the recliners and all Ember's trailers. So that's one thing. Beautiful windows with a nice roller shade. Give you an idea. And then if I want to raise it up. And another thing nobody noticed. End table. So when you could put extra things on it. Now this facing the beautiful kitchen and they give me everything. Place for my cooking pans, dishes, microwave, convection microwave, air fryers. Beautiful stainless steel sink with cutting board. I love this. It's oops, sorry. It should be that one. And then you have the nice 2-burner range. And then place for trash can. What else? Self-closing door. 10.7 cubic foot refrigerators, the big one. This is the furnace. Nice storage from inside. They give you all the box, all the goodies. We lifted here for you. Nice, beautiful bed. So I could lay down here. Nice, relaxing. Sleep easy to people. Place for my coffee maker. Not my coffee maker, my water bottles, my laptop. If I want to hide things from my wife, I could store it right here. And I could store it right there. There's even USB plugs. So in case if you have CPAP machine, you're right there, you could plug it in. And plenty of room. I could easily watch my TV. Whole front is storage compartments in the top as well at the bottom. They give you the A360 wing guard, which is mean you could have a router there and you could have a hotspot and sign up with Verizon, AT&T. 3-speed fantastic fan. Like me, I'm terrible in cooking. So if I burn my bacon, boop, I turn the fan. Coming over here, I have a place, nice area for what I like about it. Coffee maker, toasters, plugs, you could name it. And then you have a beautiful here storage. I call this is my bar. Why? I put my coffee, my margarita mixer here. I could put my glasses and bottles here. I sit, I mix my drink, and then I serve my wife. Beautiful. Then I have a happy life. Then coming over here, so you have another closet. But this closet, I love what they did to it. Because nobody in that industry did exactly what they did. And I wish if the cameraman get closer and show them the trick what I'm going to do for them. So now you could see it is hanging clothes. But if I go in the bathroom, now you're going to see only hanging clothes. And you see the big rod. But I could bring this down whatever size I want. So if I want to have hanging shirts and utilize the storage, or if I want to hang clothes only half and use this, putting some jeans, coats, blouse, whatever, you guys, ladies, you know more than me, and utilize the storage. Or if you say, you know what, I don't take that much hanging clothes with me, but I'd rather have shelf. Let me just do, okay, perfect now. And I want to have more shelf. So you could see seamless shelf both way, and I could have access either shelf or hanging clothes. Is that clever? Tell me, is that clever? It is. Now, come to my bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. More storage for towels. Love that handle. Ladies, you don't have to pay me to put the handle for you anymore. It comes with the Ember. Easy to get in. Beautiful skylight. Nice, beautiful, solid medicine cabinet. This is not a plastic, please. Some of them, they come already off the ground, on the ground. Stainless steel sink, plenty room. They even put you plugs in case if you have a hair dryer set. Porcelain toilet, not a plastic. Ding, 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 ding. And then you have nice fan. And then this light, show them the amber light because this is amber trailer. Folks, we got you the best deal, the best prices on an Amber travel trailer in North California, as well in San Bernardino, Southern California, LA County, Riverside County. It's right there next to you. I have the same unit in both locations and a price we assure you no one could match. Come to Best RV and we'll be glad to make it happen for you. Now from Best RV in Turlock, California.